So problem number 5, calculate the wheel load stresses at the critical region by RC stress equation using the following data: design wheel load 51 kN, tire pressure 0.72 Newton per meter, Newton per mm square, EC equals to 30 kN per mm square, modulus of subgrade reaction 0.1 kN per mm cube, slab thickness to 50 mm. This problem is asked July 2006 VTU examination. So this problem, IRC stress equation nothing but the modified Westergaard equation. You have to solve by this problem, modified Westergaard equation. Earlier problem what we solved problems on Westergaard's equation. So here you have to use modified Westergaard equation. So in this here the wheel load that is capital P is given 51 kilonewton, tire pressure is given that is small p 0.72 Newton per mm square, Young's modulus of concrete is given 30 kilonewton per mm square, modulus of subgrade reaction is given that is 0.1 kilonewton per mm cube, that is K value. So you know that first you have to find out the radius of relative stiffness, and that is equation is L equals to E SQ divided by 12K 1 minus mu square bracket close raised to 1 by 4. So put the value in this equation. E is 30 into 10 to the power of 3, H is 250 into 3 raised to 3 divided by 12 into 0.1 into 1 minus 0.15 square, hold the bracket 1 by 4. So we'll get L value, radius of relative stiffness 79.5 cm. So next step is the equivalent of resisting section is given by A by H. So A equals to square root of capital P divided by small p into pi. Sometime in the problem they will give directly the A value. Earlier problem they given directly A value, but sometimes they will not give A value, so you have to use the formula and you have to find out. So P, you know that 51 into 10 to the power of 3, that is the wheel load, divided by pi into the tire pressure. Tire pressure is 0.72, so we get A 15 cm. So A by H nothing but 15 divided by H is 25 cm thickness of slab, so that is 0.6, which is lesser than 1.724. So lesser than 0.1724 means condition second. So according to condition second, the radius of equivalent distribution of pressure equation is given by B equals to square root of 1.6 A square plus H square minus 0.675 H. So we get B is 14.5 cm. Now we have to find out the IRC stresses, that is the modified Westergaard's equation. So one is stresses at edge, that is SC. So that is equation is SI equals to 0.529 P divided by H square into 1 plus 0.54 mu multiplied by 4 log L by B plus log B minus 0.4048. So put the value in this equation. Put the value P is 51 into 10 to the power of 3, H is the slab thickness 250 square, so mu is 0.15. So you know that L and B 795 divided by 145, B is 145. So put the value in this equation, we get SI equals to 2.19 Newton per mm square. This is stress at edge. So mu is 0.15, that is standard value which is not given in the problem. So we assume that mu is 0.15. Next one is stress at corner SC equals to 3p divided by h square a into 1 minus bracket a into square root of 2 divided by L bracket close 1 raised to 1 by 2 bracket close. Put the value in this equation. P is, you know, that 51 into 10 to the power of 3, h is 250, a is 150, so L is 795, so we get 1.95 Newton per mm square. So these are the two values of modified Westergaard's equation, which is given by the Canley and Southland. So stresses at the edge is 2.19 Newton per mm square and stresses at the corner is 1.9 Newton per mm square.